Let's recap what we've learned in this module. First, we focused on insect legs, discussing how these appendages propel insects along substrates and how leg modifications allow insects to occupy and navigate a wide variety of habitats by running, jumping, swimming, digging, and grasping. We then discussed insect flight in detail. Insects are the only invertebrates with wings, and the dispersal ability they get through flight is one of the key factors that contributes to insect success. We learned about wing structure, movement, and the musculature that powers flight. We also explored how wings are modified in some insects for purposes other than flight, like the impressive protective armor in beetles. Finally, we explored long-distance insect migration and discussed why it is important to understand this phenomenon for pest management and conservation efforts. This wraps up our material on insect locomotion. In the next module, we will get down and dirty as we learn about the roles of insects in nutrient cycling. And later, grab your magnifying glass as we explore how our understanding of insect development and ecology can be applied in forensic investigations.